We blow it after. Yes! It's going up.
It's turning on?
Yeah, it's on. Hear it?
Yeah. But it's not like the other ones.
Yeah.
It's off?
I don't know.
It's off already?
No, it's still turning.
It's a later on the settings though? Oh, I see. It's another direction.
It's still going on.
Yeah, it's another direction right now. I can't see.
Maybe it'll go off again.
I hear it.
I hear the other sirens. But you heard that one. It got off, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
It was like in a low pitch.
I know. Okay, I'm blowing my horn. I'm blowing my horn. I'm blowing my horn.
Wait, let me hold the phone.
No, hold on.
Yes, literally. It's turning. Your mom.
Oh, what?
Hey, stop. I hear the other one, but not this one.
Yeah, that one already gold. It's still turning because it's siren test. Hold on, let me blow it. Let me blow it.
This is a Telerio. I repeat, this is an actual Toledo. See, and this is not tap.
Hold on.
Let's see it. It's like we built it for a child.
This is a test. This was a test of the outer outward.
Well, let me see if it's actually turning. I can't see.
No,
Oh yeah, it is.
this is a test. This was a test of the outer outward siren system. This was only a test. Repeating, this was only a test.
Stop the cap, sir.
Oh, should we go closer?
Yeah. No, the other ones are here turning on, but pause the video. Yeah, that was long enough.
Yes.
Now they're down.
Hold on.
They're not on now.
Hold on. Should we go there? Should we go?
It's still far.
Oh, it stopped.
Oh, it's turning on.
Oh, hold on. Senator, thanks. The other signs are going off. Yeah, the other signs are going off. Let's go! Yeah, we catch the siren.
Let's see.
Okay, let's go.